Hi guys, welcome to Svelte Training. My name's Coach Sam and I today am going to be taking you on a date. Not really, but we are going to be talking about some dates and we're going to stuff them. That's right, I said stuff dates. Real easy, real simple. You don't need to cook it. You don't need any cooked ingredients. I mean, you don't need any ingredients that need to be cooked. Everything is just raw and delicious, and it's great for your body. Dates are a really good source of sugars without using sugar. So you can replace a lot of sugars with dates to get the same sweetness, and it's still healthy for your body. So, fun fact is dates have pits in them. So you can see here, I have a lot of open dates. Sometimes there's a pit, sometimes you can get them where they de-pit. So I'm just gonna put a little slice in there. It's nice and gooey. And as you can see, when you open up, there is a little pit inside. So we just remove that. After you de-pit it, you have all of these fun ingredients. We have almond butter, we have goat cheese, toasted coconut, even have some granola, some strawberries, some chia seeds, anything that you wanna put inside a date, sweet, savory. It's all gonna taste delicious. You could even dip them in chocolate as well, and you have like a nice little sweet and delicious midnight snack. So for today, I'm gonna show you just a couple of these options. So we're gonna take our almond butter, put it inside the date, pack that in there real good. We also have some strawberries. I'm gonna put that like that. I'm just put a little bit of granola in there. And look at that. That's as easy as it is. There's nothing else that you really need to do with it. I'm just gonna keep stuffing them because we have so much stuff to stuff it with. Show you a couple of options. Here's a goat cheese, and feel free to use any kind of cheese, savory ingredient, not too much. Then what else do I want? Oh, I'm gonna put chia seeds on this. Chia seeds are really good for you as well. So once again, I'm just gonna keep packing these in, but as you can see, it's a real simple recipe. There's many ways that you can do it. You can enjoy it for a snack. You could put it on top of a salad, however you like to enjoy them, but that's it for our date. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was quick, it was easy, it was fast. And for more recipes just like this, just click the link below, subscribe to the channel, learn more about what Svelte has to offer you, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.